street friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome for another tutorial. On this tutorial video, I want to show you how you can set new ringtone for every incoming call. Maybe you are tired of one ringtone. This video, I'll show you how you can set new ringtone on every call that you receive on your phone. But before I continue with the tutorial, I'm welcoming all listeners, new members, and subscribers. I'm very happy for more response that you have shown onto my video and onto my channel as a whole. Let me give a shout out to some of you who just display random members, random subscribers, and random comments from different members. As you can see, these are all my new subscribers, random. I've just decided to display random since they are many. So thank you very much. I appreciate whatever you are doing to make my channel grow. Now on this video, for you to set new ringtone on every incoming call, you just need a certain app. Just open your Play Store, tap to open your Play Store, then you install this app. By the name, it is known as a change ringtone. I'll give a link to install the app in this video description. So you just install the app. It is this one. On Play Store there are many, but I would advise you to use this one. I'll provide a link. You just install the app. As you can see, the app is installing. After installing the app, you just tap on open. You open the app, then you tap on continue. As you can see, you tap on continue. Then when you look at the page which will be displayed, if you have your favorite song that you want to set as your ringtone, you just tap on select songs that you want to be played on your incoming calls. You tap on select songs, then select your favorite songs on your file. After selecting, you have to click on save. All the songs that you have selected will be saved. Thereafter, you tap again on intervals, how you'd like the ringtones to change. When you click there, when you want to change for each call, you tap on each call. They depend with your option. Then you tap your option, the interval of change. Then from there you have to tap on ringtone change. Tap here, tap on ringtone change. You automatically know that the ringtone change has been enabled. This now will make you receive different ringtone depending with your choice on every different call that you receive on your phone. That is all about for tutorial today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to appear on my next video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'll do a random display to the members who will subscribe and who will leave a comment. Thank you all. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.